Meanwhile, CARIFTA trials on the 17 400-meter champion Dwayne Sharp will be among the Jamaicans in action in the morning session on Saturday's opening day of the CARIFTA Track and Field Championships at the Grenada National Stadium. Sharp, who was third in the Class 2 boys 400-meter final at the recent ISA Boys and Girls Championships, will be looking to go one better at the CARIFTA Championships this year. But the Calabar athlete, who took silver in the event in the same under 17 category last year in Trinidad and Tobago, is not only thinking about medals.
A benchmark for me is to get a PB, go out there and do my best. And, my best in season is 46.7, and I would like to run faster than that at the championships.
Meanwhile, Michael Andre Edwards will be looking to defend the under-20 boys long jump title. Edwards, who will also contest the triple jump in which he took silver last year, has one simple aim in mind.
Yeah, I'm excited to go. It's my second time. The plan is always to win, so I'm going to try to win both my events. If I can PB, so be it. But honestly, I'm not too worried about it. I just want to win.
Edwards, who is in his final year as a junior athlete, explains why he's confident of taking both the long and the triple jump titles.
Because this is the first year that I've been relatively fit throughout the season. Every year I have like hamstring injuries or small problems now and then, but I spent the background of this season fixing that. So from January straight now, I didn't really have an actual problem. I was quite fine.
Edwards, who was instrumental in Jamaica College securing the ISA Boys Champs title recently, has a personal best of 7.66 meters for the long jump and 15.65 meters for the triple jump. The championship gets underway with the under-17 girls high jump final at 9 on Saturday morning.